stage 3 na sa rin, Ma'am, kinahanglan namon mabaro na ang pagtutto, pagpabasa talaga, kay damo batang kabataan nga diri maara magbasa. Alang man igbalik ka iyo ang mga grade 1, diri na. Sa araw tutorial nira, hindi nakakabasa, we will really teach how to read. Ginaano ang beginning reading instruction. Kay, bispet hiya grade 10, mabalik talaga hiya han number 1. Do you understand? That's what we call the first statement for science of reading. Another statement. Okay, di ba? Left brain siya. Left brain ang na-function, and reading brain is the left hemisphere. Therefore, reading is a language-based activity. Language-based yan. Kaya nga, balikan natin ang isang statement doon. Okay, a student who is fluent in a certain language can read that word in that language faster. Yes or no?
Yes.
Halimbawa, fluent siyang magwaray. Makarit niya magwaray. Amit dito tinaknan na balay, di mga kamulay. So, kung tutuan mo hiya in English, pababaro ba dayon in English? Kadi man niya nagayapan in English?
No.
Really? Because the science of reading says it's a language-related activity. Therefore, teach the child in the language that she or he is familiar with. The language that she is or he is using. Paano mo ang mother tongue? Ada kay ambot dito, kay basta nasa rin itong research. Diri man ini akon kanang science of reading, that's a research-based principle, okay? So, when we teach our learners, teach them in the language they are very familiar. So that all they have to do is pagbasa nirahan lamisa, maaram naman niran word na lamisa, di ba? Lamisa. Asya nga yan itong word, itong pulong nga lamisa. Symbol na lang irakikitaon. Pero word nga lamisa, nakilala ira, maaram niran karang siguro. So, mas madali mairang maintindihan. That's the meaning there of language-related activity. Teach the basic reading instruction in English, in the language that the child is familiar. Of course, kung bata, language English speaker, then teach her or teach him in English. Nasa rin, Ma'am, pinakakaibaro mang gihapon, bisan nagwawaray-waray balay. Of course, mababaro ito pagbasa in cat, math. Ano man problema? Comprehension. Diba? Mapaparo talaga, makakadecode. Pero, we will always fall short on the comprehension. Okay? Sige. So, that brings me to the next statement.